single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Blush with Priyanka. Today I'm going to teach you a very simple makeup look using only 5 products, which is foundation, face powder, eyebrow, lipstick and some mascara. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please keep on watching guys. So guys, I have already prepped my skin with some moisturizer and used a lip balm on my lips. I used this lip balm. This is my favorite lip balm guys. I love this one. This is quite inexpensive from the brand Maybelline. So after this, I'm going to use only 5 makeup products. First, I'm going to apply my favorite foundation, which is L'Oreal Infallible in 106. So I'm going to take a very little amount, just this much only, because this is my this is my everyday look. So I don't really apply much makeup on my daily look. So I'm going to just take a very little amount and dab it on my skin. Guys, it is upon you how much coverage I want. I don't want that much coverage because who likes using lots of makeup staying in home guys? So I don't really use much. This is enough for me. That's all. Whatever is left, I'm just going to apply it on my neck. Next, I'm going to use a face powder from Lakme. You can use any of your face powder, whatever brand you have, you can just use it. I'm just going to take a little bit of face powder and apply it on my face. That's all. Next, I'm going to apply this eyebrow palette from Deborah Milano. I'm going to use this dark color shade and apply it on my eyebrows. So I have filled my eyebrows, not in quite precise way. It's not important to always fill your eyebrows with very precise way. Next, I'm going to apply this mascara from L'Oreal Paris. This is a waterproof mascara. I like this mascara. I'm just going to take a very little amount, remove all the excess mascara, and I'm going to apply it on my eyes. Guys, apply it everywhere, even don't leave the last hair also, because that is going to make you look beautiful. That's all. My mascara is completed. So I have applied the mascara. You can see how nice my eyes are looking. It's looking quite opened and very beautiful. Next, I'm going to fill my lips with a very beautiful lip liner from a brand called Swiss Beauty. This color is so pretty. You can see after I apply. So as I have already applied some lip balm, so I'm directly going to apply full it on my lips. I'm going to fill this on my whole lip. See how pretty this color is. Next, if you want, then that's all, guys. This is the daily look which I wear when I stay in my home. This, if you want, then you can use some more products like some eyeshadows and some eyeshadow, some blush. Yeah, that's also normal, but this much is more than like. But you can see how nicely it's coming. This is looking so good and so pretty. So guys, if you like this look, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Blush with Priyanka. Thank you so much. Bye bye.